In this video, I will show you step by step on how to buy goods from 1688 Chinese shopping app without using agents. Step by step tutorial, super straightforward. Before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see step by step on how to buy goods on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's begin.
Welcome back, friends. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you open up your 1688 shopping app right here. After you open up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you want to do is to make sure you search for an item. After you have searched for an item, next thing you want to do is to add the item to the cart. If you don't know how to add an item to cart, consider to check the video on my channel and watch the step-by-step video on how to add an item to cart. After you have added the item to cart, next thing you want to do is to click on here to visit your cart. So all the item you have added in your cart is going to be found right here. So next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here to select all the items. If you haven't selected the item, next thing you want to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. And the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I scroll down and check if everything has been in the proper way. So once you're satisfied with all the goods, the next thing you want to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. Then the next thing you want to do is to click on here to continue. Then you click on here to confirm. Then enter your payment password. So it's as simple as that. So this is payment has been done successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to go back to my profile. So for me to access my profile, I need to click on here. By the time I refresh my profile, the item we just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So you can see it right here. So this is how to buy goods on 1688 without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video step by step and you're going to be fine. So if you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also if you have not yet subscribed, consider to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell. So each time I post content about importation business like this, you'll be notified. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or on Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.